Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to set up an easy home sewing machine. First, carefully unpack your machine from its box and place it on a sturdy, flat surface. Next, locate the power cord and plug it into the machine, then into a standard wall outlet. Don't forget to connect the foot pedal to its specific port on the machine. This ensures everything is ready for your first sewing project. Now, let's wind the bobbin. Place your chosen thread spool onto the spool pin. Guide the thread through the bobbin winding tension disc, then wrap it around an empty bobbin about 5 or 6 times. Place the bobbin onto the winder spindle and push it to the right. Gently press the foot pedal to wind the bobbin until it is full, then trim the thread. Next, we'll thread the upper part of your machine. First, raise the presser foot and the needle to its highest point. Place your thread spool on the spool pin. Carefully follow the numbered threading path indicated on your machine, ensuring the thread passes through all guides and the K-cup lever. Finally, thread the needle from the front to the back, leaving a tail of about 6 inches. Finally, let's insert the bobbin and perform a test stitch. Open the bobbin cover and place the wound bobbin into its case, ensuring the thread pulls smoothly. Close the cover. Hold the upper thread, turn the hand wheel to bring up the bobbin thread, and pull both threads under the presser foot. Place a scrap fabric, lower the foot, and sew a short, straight line to confirm everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.